Hello! Good day mga ka-second chance. But this item is a brand new. Again, brand new po ito. This is a fossil wallet. It's a long wallet, continental po. There you go, ganda. This is an eco leather material. Stitching napakaganda. Very flawless. And meron po siyang pocket with zipper at the back. And meron din siyang compartment dito. Yan po. And then, colorful po yung ano niya. Yung kanyang font design. This one po is lahat po siya, ay marami siyang compartment din. 4 cards. Yan po. Check natin. Close up. Yan. 4 cards. Ang ganda. Zipper naman po. Ay, sorry. Zipper naman po siya sa gitna. Yan. May tatak po siyang fossil. There you go. As well as here. And dito din. Too many compartments. Meron po siyang marami for your cards. And if meron pa kayong cellphone na mini, kasya po dito. There you go. Continental Fossil Wallet po. This is brand new. Kasama po ito sa box na darating. Estimated time of arrival is October to November po. And if you are interested in this piece, please message me for reservation. And pwede po layaway. And you can have only the item if tapos na pong bayaran. There you go. PM me po for pricing and details. Thank you. Ciao!